At first glance, Villa JM is an enigmatic presence, its elongated U-shaped floor plan presenting a solid stone face to the world. The design exudes privacy, revealing only a glimpse of its inner sanctum through a singular monumental opening that frames the central courtyard. Elevated slightly above the ground, the villa achieves a commanding presence within its wooded Dutch landscape, its raised terraces blending the architecture with its surroundings. This subtle interplay between concealment and openness invites curiosity, as though the villa itself is guarding a profound secret. The architecture draws inspiration from the wooded expanse it inhabits, crafting a harmonious balance between nature and shelter. Glass expansions discreetly punctuate the design, inviting the beauty of the outdoors into the villa's private spaces. These transparent elements soften the structure's bold, linear forms, while closed volumes maintain an unyielding sense of privacy. Natural stone and wood, chosen for their timeless texture and warmth, enrich the villa's minimalist one-story layout, where monumental lines meet seductive curves. The courtyard emerges as the heart of the design, an intimate, glass-walled oasis that transforms the surrounding landscape into a domestic experience. This interplay between interior and exterior is most vividly realized in the living room, where floor-to-ceiling glass walls dissolve boundaries and immerse the space in light and greenery. Here, the austerity of straight lines and the heaviness of stone are counterbalanced by the graceful arcs of sinuous glass and the richness of veined marble, creating a space where serenity meets sensuality. Villa JM captures a profound duality, the gravitas of a secluded retreat and the lightness of a home that breathes with its surroundings. Through its carefully orchestrated contrasts, between openness and enclosure, weight and airiness, simplicity and complexity, it offers more than a dwelling. It becomes a testament to the power of design to create spaces that resonate with the natural world while providing a sanctuary for the human spirit. Echoing the contemplative stillness of autumn and the vibrant energy of spring. Its framed stone facade embodies a quiet retreat, a space for introspection and renewal, while its glass-walled courtyards and open-air terraces celebrate rebirth and connection with the surrounding forest. The villa reminds us that change is constant. Its design harmonizes the timelessness of monumental stone with the sinuous fluidity of glass. At every turn, the villa invites us to embrace the flow of time, to find solace in its inevitability, and to marvel at the beauty and resilience of life as it changes, season after season.